Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off all of this dog here that's on the car. So all you need is a little bit of stuff. You don't need that much things. All you need really is a wet and dry vac, a dirty rag, and some cleaners. This is like a carpet clean, easy clean HD heavy duty shampooer. So that's good to clean this. So alright, I'm gonna show you what to do in the first step. Oh, and also you're gonna need a brush too. For sure you're gonna need that. So alright, what you do is you spray down all this down with the multi-cleaner. Then you get your brush and I brush all this down. It's kind of hard doing this with holding one hand, doing one hand with the brushing and doing one hand holding the phone, but gotta show you guys how to do it. You get your vacuum. Vacuum down the car until everything comes off. Alright, so I finished. I have to cut the video because it's easier to do this with two hands than with one hand holding the camera, but this is how it looks now. Here's the light. Show you guys how it looks. Looks better than before. That's just the easy way on how to take out dog hair. The easy way and the cheapest way, instead of using a steamer and all those professional stuff what the professional detailers do. So if you want to do this at home, it's easy. Just all you need is the wet and dry vac, your cleaning source, and a brush. That's it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching and come back for more videos.